to say?
Girls, they were respectful to you, so please
Once
be
upon a
respectful.
time.
Once upon a time, down by the beach, there was just a boy standing on a rock. There's no trees yet. There's no trees yet.
No trees yet.
The boy was watching the tide go in and come out. On the beach, as the tide went out, he saw some footprints. They were very big and very... Have you got the rest of them? The dinosaur footprints were very big, and so the boy decided he would follow them. He followed them all the way until he came across a huge theropod. Dun, dun, dun. The theropod growled and chased the boy all the way back to the rock. Now the boy was quick, so he could jump up on the rock where the dinosaur couldn't follow him. The dinosaur left him alone. While the boy was up on that rock, he saw some different footprints. These footprints led in a different direction, so he followed them. As he followed them, they took him to a place with some very tall trees and some tall grass. Some of these trees had fruit. Underneath the trees was a very big, egg. There was 2 eggs. The boy thought, what kind of eggs are these? And as he puzzled over what the eggs were, he heard the footsteps of some huge sauropods. Are you sitting on them? There's one. How did they get out? The sauropods had big, long necks, so they could pick the fruit at the top of the trees. These dinosaurs were nice dinosaurs, and they did want to eat the boy. The dinosaurs offered some fruit to the boy. Are they offering some fruit? And the boy said, thank you.
Can we just, it is lunchtime, but how much longer? Just a sec.
The boy went back to the rock saying goodbye to the dinosaurs with his fruit. With his fruit. The dinosaurs are doing away. Ready? Here we go. The boy went back to the rock with his fruit. And all the trees disappeared. When he got back to the rock with the fruit, there was the same theropod waiting for him. The boy offered the theropod some fruit. Where's the fruit? You run away. And the theropod surprisingly ate the fruit. The end. That's the